I wonder what your thoughts on what's happening there. Like, how do you explain that?
Well, it kind of like it highlights to me something that's been slowly forming in my brain as you're sharing all this information, which is in order to commoditize a culture, you need to do two things.
Hmm.
You need to tart it up all nice and talk about the stuff that's really fun,
Yeah.
Chiquita banana, like
Yeah.
whatever, do the whole melange of the what's fascinating to me too is as you were talking, I realized how much like the world of banana is just this like deeply insensitive cultural stew that is Caribbean, African,
Yeah.
Latin American, like it's all kind of just like in the same soup of just like how fun warm areas. Like
Yeah.
like it's like
Yeah. Totally.
generous brown people and like nice cocktails and
Right.
like just like the colonialist wet
Hmm.
dream.
Yeah.
It's just the banana is that. The banana represents sort of like that whole thing that's just like, take it easy, like you're fine,
Yeah.
like it's all here for you.
Hmm.
And it's funny that like a banana is that way too. It's just like you don't even have to chew the fucking thing. You just kind of like peel it apart with your
Yeah.
hands. Like, there's no, an orange, you kind of like have to really get in
Yeah.
there. An apple, you can't eat the core or the
Yeah.
stem. Like the banana, you just kind of like look at it and it falls apart and you just smash it into your
You
mouth.
you could eat the peel as well. It's actually edible.
Didn't, like Kevin Spacey do that in like
I
K-Pax or
that
something? Remember
doesn't
that weird
doesn't
little
of
space
course.
movie?
Yeah, where he's the alien.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I didn't actually know that the banana. So is the peel is just kind of like you could munch on that?
You could.
Do
You could if
people
you
eat
wanted
it?
to. Well, and plantains oftentimes are cooked sliced with the peel on them. So,
Huh.
yeah. So,
Anyway, so
yeah.
th there's two things you have to do to commoditize a
Yeah.
culture.
Tart it
One
up.
is to like make it sort of just like super appealing, but then the other is like to be the one that's in control of representing that culture.
Yeah.
And so you need to like seize control and be able to like be the one who's like, no, I'm gonna go ahead and speak for you. I'm gonna go ahead and like
Yeah.
take agency from you. And so
Hmm.
it's really interesting that like we you see both sides of that in the Chiquita banana story, which
Hmm.
is like we're going to control what it means to produce bananas, which is what it means to like be like cover wide swaths of what it means to be a person that lives in a lot of these different countries.
Yeah.
And then we're also therefore empowered to turn around and sell what that stuff means.